Hello friends, welcome to my channel SS Stocks. Today we will learn about how to see a screener.in site. Basically this site is useful to check the financials of the company and also to know about the company. Okay, so we will jump directly to screener site. You can type screener in your browser. So www.screener.in, this is the address of the site. You can go here, you can click with your Google account, so you will come to this page. Before moving for the video, I will request friends to please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I will be bringing regularly this type of educational content for the stock market, which will improve our know-how and will help us in taking better decisions for trading or investing in the stock market. Thank you friends. Then we'll go to first thing, that is feed page. Here on feed page you can put company name, like I put here Tata Consultancy. So Tata Consultancy Services. Okay, so first is about the TCS. So now this is about the TCS. This is the basic thing regarding TCS, like market capital of the company is 14,21,194. Current price of the share is 3,842. High and low, that is 52 week high and 52 week low is this thing. Stock P, price to earning ratio is 40.3. Book value is 234. Book value, it will help us in understanding where is the price, current market price of the stock in terms of book value. Dividend, how much dividend company is giving. What is ROC, that is return on capital employed of the company, it is 48.9. What is ROE, that is return on equity, which is 39.1. Face value of the stock. Sales growth, what is industry P. So from industry P we will be able to compare what is the stock P. Like here in case of TCS, industry P is 40.3, here it is 37.3. Okay, debt to equity ratio, how much is the debt on the company. Sales growth. So this is the basic thing which we will be able to know. We can add any ratios based on our requirement. Like if I go to edit, I can edit operating profit margin of the company. Okay, so here I will be able to know what is OPM, operating profit margin of the company. So in this way you will be able to add any ratio to this first basic content. In right corner you will be able to see about is about Tata Consultancy Services is the flagship company, what company is doing, and some background about the company, key points of the company. So from here you will be able to better know about the company. Now second part is chart. Here you will be able to see 1 month chart, 3 month chart, 6 month, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year maximum chart. So if we go to 1 year chart, in 1 year chart also you will be able to see this 50-day moving average line, 200 days moving average line. So you will be able to know better price action which is going on in TCS. Volume, so this bottom area is volumes. So you will also be able to know whether volumes in stock market, how are the volumes in stock market right now, in this particular stock right now. Second part is analysis. Here what are the pros of this company, like company is almost debt free, company has good return on equity, company has been maintaining a healthy. And another right corner is what are cons, what are the drawbacks. Stock is trading at 16.44 times of book value, that is stock is expensive. The company has delivered poor sales growth in terms of over the past few years. So these are pros and cons, so it will help us better understanding of the company. Next is peer comparison. So if we go to a right column, so here it is peer comparison. So TCS, we know it is software company, so TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech, L&T, Mindtree. On this, what is current price, current market price, we can compare CMP, current market price, we can compare P, price to earning ratio. So you will be able to know which is better company. Market capital, dividend yield, net profit quarter crores, what is quarterly profit, percentage variance in the profit, etc. So you can also here also ROC, ROE, return on capital employed, return on equity, current market versus book value comparison. Here also you will be able to edit the columns. If you want to add something, you go to edit column. Here there are different ratios. So if we want some ratio to be added, like you can add operating profit margin in this column, and if you save the column, you will be able to know operating profit margin percentage. So this column also you can compare for peers. So it will give better understanding regarding the peer comparison of the TCS. Okay. Next part is quarters. What is quarterly results? So here you will get quarterly results for each quarter, like it starts from 2018, 19, 20, 21. Here you can compare June quarter result, June 21 quarter result with June 20 result, June 21 quarter result with March 21 quarter result, and you can better understand financials of the company, how company is performing. You can know the sales, you will be able to know expenses, you will be able to know what is operating profit and what is operating profit margin, other income, how much interest company is paying, depreciation, and what is bottom line, that is net profit, quarterly net profits. Also EP, you can understand about the EPS. Okay friends, and in second part, that is profit and loss. Here it is financial statement for a year. It starts from 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and it comes to recent year, that is March 21. Here also you will be able to see the sales, yearly sales, and you can compare the sales. You can compare March 21 sales versus March 20 sale. You will be able to know the expenses, operating profit margin, how much interest company is paying for that particular year, and what is net profit, yearly net profit of the company. Here TTM is trailing 12-month figures. Okay friends, so we saw one basic TCS basic information, second was chart, third is analysis, fourth is peer comparison, quarterly results, yearly results, profit and loss, balance sheet. In balance sheet you will be able to find what is the share capital, what is the reserves, whether reserves are increasing, what is the borrowing, whether borrowing is reducing or increasing, what is the current work in progress, what are the investments, etc. So this information will help us to understand company better in terms of balance sheet. Second part is cash flows. How much cash is being generated from operating activity, how much cash is generating in investing activity, and cash from financing activities. So this will give us glimpses about the cash condition of the company in terms of cash flows. Now next is ratios. In this you will be able to understand the various ratios like ROC, working capital days, debtor days, etc. So based on this you will be able to know the performance of the company in previous years. Like here it is shown from 2010 to 2021. So you will be able to better compare the organization performance in terms of all these ratios for previous years. Another important point is shareholding pattern. Here you will be able to see how much is the promoter shareholding. Like in first row, promoter shareholding, it is 72.05 and it is maintained almost. In fact, it is increased in June 21. So anything, if promoter shareholding increased, then it is a good sign. FIS, you can see what is FIS shareholding pattern. So it is 16.05 in 18, December 18, that is 15.8. So you will be able to see all the FIS, that is foreign institute investment, DIS, domestic investment, 7.9%. This is all figures are in percentage, and how much with government, how much with public, like 4.38% in June 21, 4.38% is with public. So from all this we will be able to better understand how company is doing in terms of financials, also something about the company. So I hope you learned about screener.sign site. Most of all this site is free, and at least this basic information is free for us. Another point is screens. In next video we will learn about the screens. There are some different types of screen which will help us in sorting of the companies. So I hope friends you like the content of this video. So we will again I will again come with a different video. I will request to please subscribe my channel. Also, if you don't have Demat account, I have attached link of Zerodha and Angel Broking in my description section. You can click on the link and you can start opening Demat account and you can invest in share market. We will again meet with some different exciting video. Till then, goodbye and take care friends.